Ronin Network, which is a blockchain network, and Axie DAO suffered the largest crypto hack, while their prime suspect in these hacks was infamous Lazarus gang. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Hackers use fake LinkedIn job offer to hack off $625 million from Axie Infinity. We gotta get right into it. What's going on? So this is courtesy of Deba Ahmed at HackRead, right? So earlier in March this year, Ronin Network, which is a blockchain network underpinning the famous crypto game Axie Infinity, and Axie DAO suffered the largest crypto hack against a decentralized finance network reported to date. In May 2022, the United States issued an advisory according to which highly skilled hackers from North Korea were trying to get employed by posing as IT freelancers. Now it has been revealed that Axie Infinity hacking was socially engineered, in which North Korean government-backed hacker group Lazarus used a fake job offer to infiltrate Sky Mavis network by sending one of the company's employees a PDF file containing spyware. Lazarus' involvement in such a high-profile hack should not come as a surprise, because in January 2022, researchers from different crypto security firms concluded that North Korean hackers have so far stolen 1.3 billion from cryptocurrency exchanges across the globe, while their prime suspect in these hacks was infamous Lazarus gang. So, Axie Infinity hack. So let's get right into it. The employee, which is an ex-senior engineer at the company, took the bait and thought it was a high-paying job offer from another company and opened the PDF. However, in reality, this company didn't exist. During the recruitment process, the ex-employee gave away critical personal information which attackers used to steal from the company. Sky Mavis explained that its employees are constantly threatened by advanced spear phishing attacks on various social channels. In this instance, one employee was fooled, who doesn't even work at Sky Mavis anymore. It is worth noting that the play-to-earn game Axie Infinity is a Pokemon-inspired game developed by Sky Mavis and rakes in approximately 15 million in revenue daily. How was Ronin hacked? According to the block, when the hacking took place, Axie Infinity had 9 validators from its proof of authority and Ethereum-based sidechain Ronin. The attacker managed to leverage that access to penetrate Sky Mavis's IT infrastructure and gain access to the validator nodes, Sky Mavis stated. The attacker had to capture 5 out of 9 validators to infiltrate the company's networks. The spyware-laced PDF helped the attacker control 4 validators and access the community-run Axie DAO, which is decentralized autonomous organization, from where they got control of the 5th validator. After compromising the network, the attackers stole 25 million of USDC stablecoin and 173,600 Ether, which is roughly 597 million, from Axie Infinity's treasury, collectively stealing crypto worth around 625 million. Nevertheless, Ronin's sidechain increased the number of validators to 11 to enhance security, whereas Sky Mavis is reimbursing Axie players who lost crypto due to the attack. The company underwent a 150 million funding round back in April 2022. So here is some about the Lazarus hackers. The US government claims that the notorious North Korean hacker group Lazarus is responsible for the attack. This group specializes in such attacks. This isn't the first time that Lazarus has targeted the blockchain industry. However, this is uncommon for Lazarus to use social engineering to invade a company's networks. In fact, in June 2020, Slovak internet security company ESET warned LinkedIn users of Lazarus' involvement in a sophisticated LinkedIn recruiter scam targeting military and aerospace firms. My goodness, that's what they doing? That's the news. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.